These refrigerator door shelves are a lifesaver. They are a great replacement. I needed new shelves. These shelves fit my GE fridge. I was worried about the fit. My old ones were cracked. They felt flimsy. This Saranna GE refrigerator door shelf 2-pack solved my problem. Installation was a breeze. They just slid right in. Now I have so much more space. My big milk jugs fit perfectly. The gallon door bins hold a lot. They feel strong and sturdy. They are not like the old ones. The plastic is thick. It seems very durable. My fridge looks new again. These shelves are a great find. I am really happy with this purchase. Furthermore, I love having a spare. The 2-pack is perfect. I could replace both at once. Or I could keep one as a backup. This gives me peace of mind. I won't have to worry again. If one ever breaks, I have another. The price was also very good. It was much cheaper than a GE part. Yet, the quality feels similar. I have been using them for a month. There are no signs of wear. The clear plastic is nice. I can see my drinks easily. The Saranna GE refrigerator door shelf 2-pack is a solid choice. In fact, I am recommending them to friends. They are an affordable solution. They just work. In addition, these shelves are a perfect fit. They are specifically for the right side. They fit models that use WR71X11044 and WR71X11059. This takes out the guesswork. I knew they would fit. The product description was very clear. I had a GE side by side. The model number matched, so I made the purchase. My fridge is now a storage powerhouse. The doors hold so much now. It's like a new fridge. My old shelves were tired. They were weak. These new shelves are strong warriors. They hold their ground. They stand up to heavy items. The Saranna GE refrigerator door shelf 2-pack is truly an upgrade. Pros: fits perfectly. Exactly what I needed. Fit and look like the originals. Value is excellent. Arrived quickly. Installation was super easy. Good product. Did the job. Replaced old one due to damage. Everything fit in this one. Cons: old one fell out. Damage potential. Deposit issues. Features: WR71X11059 model number. Right side installation for refrigerator gallon door. Compatible with GE. Replace PS6011779. Replace AP5656690. Replace 2691847. Replace EAP6011779. Easy to install. Fridge door shelf bin. This 2-pack of Saranna WR71X11044 and WR71X11059 refrigerator door shelves is designed to replace the right side gallon door bins on compatible GE refrigerators. The shelves are easy to install and can be used to replace several model numbers, including PS6011779, AP5656690, 2691847, and EAP6011779. They provide a convenient way to store gallon containers and other items in your fridge door. This 2-pack of Saranna WR71X11044 and WR71X11059 refrigerator door bins is a perfect replacement for compatible GE models. They are praised for being an exact fit, looking just like the original parts, and being very easy to install. Customers noted that the bins are a great value, arrive quickly, and are a good product that effectively replaces old or damaged shelves. The shelves are sturdy and able to hold everything without falling out, which can help prevent potential issues with a security deposit if you are in a rental home.